Ucha, how y'all doing? We're going on a family run to the store. We got to get some supplies for our garden. So make sure y'all stay tuned and see what we get from the store, what we utilize them for in our garden.
Don't forget to check out this sweatshirt, Be Yourself. You can get it at www.lovealways.shop.
Ba-dow! And this is the baby gardener. Oh, this what we got, this beautiful fence. And what we're gonna do is, so we got vine plants, and so like our beans, our melons. Yo, what up, Marley? This juice spot right here is amazing. It's here in Selma, Texas. Y'all definitely should check it out. This got dandelion, watermelon, apple, spinach, and lemon. Delicious. No, this is not a paid ad, but soon it will be. What would you catch?
Touchdown, Flop! Jones in the end zone. Jackie Smith all by himself.
All right, so these are the sticks I made. This is the anchor. This is anchor 1. This is anchor 2.
He has to have all the tools. An axe. Why do we need an axe? I don't know.
That one that's 12 feet tall?
Break it.
All right, let me show you how to work it.
So first we're gonna work together to put this stick into the ground so that it can be nice and sturdy. This is gonna be our centerpiece support for our trellis. So right now I'm just picking out some of the okra that were a little too close to the other okra because I won't be able to get down in there after we put the trellis up.
So we lifted our pallets up to put the trellis gate underneath it for stability. So we rolled the trellis gate over our stake that we put into the ground, and now we're just placing the trellis in the center of our stake so it's stable and even on both sides so it doesn't sway one way or the other. It's just ma'at, balance. And we're just mirroring the same thing we did to the other side by placing the trellis underneath the pallet so it is stable. Right here we're testing for stability to make sure it doesn't sway one way or the other too hard. make sure it doesn't collapse once the melons start to grow on it. And so we want to make sure that we balance the weight evenly on both sides of the trellis. And so that's why we keep shaking it and messing with it to see which way it may fold if it was to get some pressure.
So now we're taking some twine and we're using it to tie the trellis to the pallet. This will make it more stable so that the melons don't tear down the trellis. So we use tape and twine to attach the stick to the trellis at the top, just to make sure that the center is very, very stable. So we decided to use some bricks to place on top of the pallets to make sure that it's a little more stable and also to level out the pallet on the ground.
Strong hands, 2 bricks. Look at that. Yeah.
So as I'm tying the twine on the trellis and the pallet, I start weaving the melon vine through the holes of the gate.
How long you think this video is?
25 minutes?
40.
40?
And on the cage, you can see right here, the melons are starting to grab on to their support. Look at that. They're very intelligent, so they know what to do when they're being guided.
So here's the final product. So our trellises turned out very, very nice and very sturdy. And you guys can stay tuned to watch how we build our trellis for our beans. Thank you for visiting the Garden of Treats and keep on growing.
Thank you for coming by the Garden of Treats. We look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Make sure you look out for the Tree of Treats Foundation and visit lovealways.shop for more love.